Finally a day where all the air conditioners and heat pumps are off where I live. They're off. Tempstar's off. That Goodman over there's off. I shut the whole system off. Compressor. The guts. Reversing valve. Oh! Even though I am into mowers and power equipment, that's really like my main interest. Just so y'all know. Damn, this is cold. I gotta clean that coil is. If you don't have spine fin, I don't know what it has. If it has spine fin, what the blades like to hit. Sprinkler shut off. Damn, I'm gonna have to get a jacket. It's so cold out here. And it's September 1st. A little cricket farm over there. Alright, I just want to let you know a little update on the Goodman. No, she didn't give out. It's just been way too freaking cold to turn the air conditioner on, and the entire system shut off. And it's not in heat mode, it's not in cool mode, it's off. There you know. Alright. Thanks for watching.